Travis, final update on your Musicman RD50. Love it, dude. How nice did she come out? You got red, by the way, buddy. I was feeling the vibes. But if you want a different one, let me know, man. This is what we're looking at. I'm not trying to make it look like a coalition or anything, but take your pick, dude, if you change your mind. Just got those in. So she's ready to go, ready to be equipped with your 10-inch speaker of choice. Bear in mind that you got a little bit of clearance here between the output transformer and the actual baffle. There's about an inch and a half here, and then on the lower part of the frame, of the OT frame, you have an additional, it might be 2 inches. So maybe look at a nice Alnico doodad, because the magnet itself actually projects a little further inward, and then when you're looking at the diameter of the speaker itself, it's a little more towards the center. So maybe you can get yourself a little higher powered Alnico job, a little jabby jab. But or maybe there's some 12s that'll fit in there. Who knows? You could have a peek on Google. I'm sure it'll give you access to a plethora of information from folks that have gone where you're looking to go. But man, she came out so nice. I just can't. I'm beside myself, man, with the transformation. So I added, obviously, I secured your reverb pan bag here. I added a nice little cable clamp for your RCA cables, and that's the actual original one there for your power cord. The new one with the actual grounded plug here, so you're not going to electrocute yourself, turn your lips into bacon when you go to sing, if you accidentally scrape past the mic, and that happens to be ungrounded or what have you. Let's see. A little whip around here. So I'm going to clean up a little bit more. I don't want to really clean it up any further, to be honest with you, because it looks cool now. I mean, we've gotten the main layer off. I did the knobs as well. I want to leave patina on there, And the cabinet's super clean. The only thing is this little guy right here, the old speaker access panel that the grill cloth had become. I do have some, what's that color? It's sort of like the wheat. It's the same material, but it's wheat colored. And I usually do that if there's like the Wine Taurus Tolex or what have you. But it would look pretty sweet on this one as well, man. If you want me to cut you off a square, let me know. And it's all yours if you want to give wrapping this baffle a shot. I bet you can do it. Other than that, man, she's good to go. I'm going to start on your, what is it, 212/75 or 65? I'll have to take a peek. I can't quite remember the model designation, but this one's ready to go into your custody, my friend. And she's a happy camper, let me tell you. A happy camper indeed. You just need to get yourself some of these fancy pants, like these guys. Look at them. That's La Passion. You're not doing it right till you got the stripes. Cheers, buddy. And we'll get some updates on that other one, the 212 Beast, pretty soon.